warm desk pad, mouse pad, office desk mat, Dynadex 3-speed touch control warm big mouse pad, 31 inches by 13 inches extended edition gaming mouse pad, foot warmer pad, black product material, warm desk pad made with high quality PVC materials and rubber back. Gallaway leather desk mat mouse pad, pool leather computer desk mat, large 36 inches by 17 inches dark brown, large mouse pad for desk with non-slip felt base, gift ready elegant computer mat for desk with gift box. The Gallaway leather desk accessories aim to elevate your space with even stitching, impeccable workmanship, and incredible attention to detail. Place your computer mouse and laptop computer atop this desk mouse pad and prepare to be wowed at how refined your space suddenly looks. Extended mouse pad by leather Nomads 36 inches by 15.7 inches, black, genuine leather desk mat, desk blotter, mouse and keyboard pad, non-slip desk pad, black desk mat, keyboard mats for desk, computer pad. Extra large leather desk mat, desk pad large enough to fit laptop, keyboard and mouse. Desk pad for work, writing, resting and gaming. Ultimate office organization accessory full grain leather desk pad to keep a clean organized desk, and improve efficiency. Edge stitched, waterproof, pad size, 31 x 13 inch. Comply with U.S. Safety certification, warm desk pad meet FCCUL certified, features 3 gear order heat settings, 50 Celsius high, 45 Celsius middle and 40 Celsius low settings, to warm your winter.